gay people. Am I right, guys? That sounded homophobic. I didn't mean that in like a homophobic way. Um, that it sounded like the oh whoa sick drift. You know those like TikTok comments where it's like woman and it's the coffee emoji. No, I wasn't making fun of gay people. Today we're drawing uh Yaoi tornado. That's why I brought up gay people. Shout out to gay people. Every single one, you get a shout out. If you're watching Furko Driz and you like dudes, as a dude, feel honored, okay? That sounds so fucked up. No, that sounds so like pretentious. Let's just draw Yaoi Tornado, guys. Alright. Fuck. Yaoi Tornado. We're gonna call him Tornado for short. He, white man. You know how we do white men around here. Orange and then white, and then you get the perfect skin tone. He's a little lighter than that, though. We're gonna do that. I had a Burger King today, and I had the orange dreamsicle like slushy, and it tasted good, but it like was too hard to drink. He has quite round face, I guess. Well, that's just far too small now, isn't it? Okay. Short brown hair. We need a little bit of orange in this. I don't like it when it does that. Okay, I've only seen Tornado in real life one time. So I don't know how their hair looks. I think it's like... Dude, does he have bangs? Oh, yawn. I can't remember if he has bangs. We're just gonna like draw it like that, right? And this head is way too small, isn't it? We'll have to enlarge it. I think it's like that, and the sides come down. Do they come down? I think it's like a buzz? Is it a buzz? I wasn't paying attention to him. We're just gonna call that good, alright? And just like add a little more detail. Because it was very textured for such a short haircut. Eyes. Eyes. I think they were like... I don't know, dude. They were eyes, alright? Let's just draw the circles, okay? Stop getting on me for that, alright? I don't appreciate it, everybody. Alright. I made him look like a snake, kind of. This eye right here looks like a snake. But it gives it character. Quite a small nose. Well, like... Okay, I've made it too big. Let's just, that's fine. Where does their mouth sit? Mouth sits at a neutral position. We'll just do a little smiley right there. Okay. Neck time. Now, I know I said in like my last video, I think I hate drawing people, painting people in just a black shirt because it's a little boring. But I've literally never seen Tornado in another shirt because I've only seen him in person once. So we're just gonna do that. Womp, womp, autosave, don't screw me over. And whoa. And honestly, I think that's all I can do. Piercings. Wait. We can give our people more character. Let's first off give them eyebrows. Okay. Where Does he have piercings? I think there's like 2 in his eyebrow. So we're gonna try to make like a silver color. I was about to say, I know Yaoi Tornado doesn't look like this. There's something missing. I think it's like right here. And you know what? That already looks so much more like him. Right. Let's get out the paintbrush. Sign my name, FD. And I think we're done here, guys. That is Yaoi Tornado. Shout out Yaoi watchers and listeners and readers and however else you consume Yaoi media. Everything I've said in like the past couple of minutes have just dawned on me, and I sound like a dick. But I don't know. I'm not a dick. Boom. Counter argument. I'm not a dick. Take that, bitch. I need to end this video now.